Spooks and pumpkins. It can only mean one thing.
We're ready for Halloween.
We're gonna do some trick-or-treating.
Take the kids out, make sure they get their candy.
Look at all this candy. But candy is not the only thing to get excited about on Halloween.
I'm going to a party in the Castro.
Halloween, I plan on going to a club.
I'm gonna party.
Going to a costume party.
Halloween is not complete without costumes, but choosing one might be difficult.
I still haven't figured it out yet, but it's going to be something really epic and very in your face.
I haven't decided yet.
I'm a nasty pirate.
I'm gonna wear some sexy lingerie and go to a party and have fun.
I don't think I'm going to use a costume, but I'm going to a costume party.
People are most excited about dressing up. Some are choosing to go the cheap route.
This is it. Just this, and my hair is part of it.
I'm going to be Chip and Dale because we're doing a whole Amsterdam red light district theme.
I have a fantastic bee costume, which I bought from a thrift store.
I'm gonna be a bat, so like a bat with like huge wings. But I'm making my costume, so it's gonna be crazy.
I just went for the cheap method, where you buy like a T-shirt or a shirt, a pirate thing.
Everybody has different ideas for their costume, but they all agree on one thing.
It's just a reason to have a good time and to be really ridiculous.
Time with my friends.
It's a celebration. Get dressed up and enjoy each other.
Eat a lot of candy and just spend time with family.
It's just a fun day to dress up and, be something that, you can't do during the normal days of the year.
So, whether you're an Angry Bird or an Iron Man, you'll sure to have fun on Halloween. From San Francisco, Catherine Sutaji, KART News.